Viewers, Justin Trudeau, who was outraging about Trump's claims on Canada, is now rolling out a red carpet to a terror group that wants to alter the world map. The Hizb ut-Tahrir, a banned organization in several countries but not in Canada, has been allowed to host a Caliphate Carnival on the 18th of this month with the sole agenda of unleashing a war against secularism. It's stated in their posters. The invitational posters doing the rounds on social media loudly proclaim the agenda to be eliminating any obstacles that come in the way of establishing a global caliphate. Let's open this up. Ishtaran Bhandari, Dr. Ranganathan, Vivek Srivastava, Ahmad Ayaz joins the panel. Ahmad Ayaz साहब, आपको याद होगा कुछ दिन पहले डिसमेंटल हिंदुत्व कॉन्फ्रेंस, उस पे बहुत चर्चा हो रही थी. लोग कह रहे थे कि डिसमेंटल कर देना चाहिए हिंदुत्व को. अब कनाडा में एक ये प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, इसको हम कैलिफेट कार्निवल कह रहे हैं, टेरर कार्निवल. इसमें इन्होंने लिख दिया है, आवर फाइट इज अगेंस्ट सेक्युलरिज्म. ये सही है सर?
पहली तो पहली बात हिंदू वत को डिसमेंटल करना, आई थिंक दैट शुड नॉट बी द कॉन्सेप्ट. एवरीबडी इज सपोज टू profess his or her religion. I don't think that should happen. That should be the concept, or that should be somebody's
चलिए
idea.
इस पे बता दीजिए.
So far as Canadian issue is concerned, so far as Canadian issue is concerned, the laws of that country govern that particular part. They have not declared this Hizb ut-Tahrir as a terror organization.
Sir, 1 minute. I am not asking Justin Trudeau to take a stand. I am asking Ahmad Ayaz. Now, you apply common sense, logic, rule of law, whatever, and answer the question. Try and answer the question, sir. वो बोल रहे हैं हम शरिया लाएंगे. We will unleash Sharia around the world.
Normally, in a secular state, there must not be a supremacy of a particular religion or a particular. It should be the law uniformly applied the way criminal laws are there in India, and everybody is supposed, as a Muslim, he is supposed to profess his religion. Hindus, their own, Christians, their own freedom of. It should be like that everywhere, and that should happen even in Canada also. To say that with multiple religion there must be a particular religion which
Vivek Srivastava,
supersede all, that should not be done.
Vivek Srivastava, you know your heart bleeds for Hamas.
Yes. See.
Basha.
Yeah. See from.
अब ये जो टेरर ग्रुप है, अब इसको कैसे डिफेंड करेंगे आप?
Not Hamas but Palestine. जी सर, देखिए ये टेरर ग्रुप की अगर आप हिस्ट्री ट्रेस करेंगे, इफ यू स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग द हिस्ट्री, 1952-53 इट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन लेबनान and they had their own agenda. However, subsequent governments in Europe continued with its functioning because they felt that backdoor maneuvering with them is better than totally banning them. After a while, many countries banned them also, including Germany and so on and so forth. That's the first part. But this organization became very militant in its functioning after the
Should this
Palestinian
Caliphate Carnival go on? Vivek Srivastava, it's a straightforward question.
Went full force against the Palestinian people. Yeah. I mean, you solve Palestine, the issue of Palestine, and give justice to the people of Palestine, and all such militant organizations which are divisive or trying to enforce
Okay,
Sharia,
so you
will
believe
not
this
take their
organization wants to ensure
That is what it
justice
is.
for
They
Palestine.
feed-
Okay,
they feed
अब देखिए
upon the injustice.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, here's the twist. ठीक है, जस्टिस. अब आप वापस मत जाइएगा अपने पोजीशन से. अब आप बोल रहे हैं जस्टिस फॉर पैलेस्टाइन. आपको पता है सर, ऑफ द मेनी कंट्रीज,
इस तरह के लोग सर वो मुसलमान आवाम के बीच में पैलेस्टीन का इशू लेकर के जाएंगे तो उनको समर्थन मिलेगा. मैं ये कह रहा हूं.
ठीक, बहुत अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव. आप सुनिए
जल्दी इस तरह के संगठन बंद हो.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव सुन तो लीजिए, ठीक है. इज चाइना एंटी मुस्लिम, एंटी पैलेस्टाइन?
यस. No, China is it's not anti-Palestine or something.
तो सर चाइना ने बैन किया हुआ इस ग्रुप को.
और चाइना के खिलाफ
चाइना ने बैन किया हुआ.
Why should I believe the American media? Pakistan is so close to China.
अरे चाइना ने बैन किया हुआ. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, चाइना has banned this group. They believe this is a terror group. Dr. Ranganathan,
नहीं, but first I must gently castigate you, Pranesh. Please don't call Vivek anti-national. He loves his nation, China. Time and again, he has proven that. Look, the fact of the matter is, he will, of course, deny that same China, his beloved China. And so far as his love for Muslims and, their rights is concerned, same China has interned 1.5 million Muslims in concentration camps and is feeding them pork and alcohol, forcefully sterilizing them.
That is your
This
data.
is what
Pakistan doesn't believe in it.
Acha, Pakistan doesn't believe in it. So you believe in Pakistan?
Believe in it.
Vivek, I
Vivek
did not
Srivastava,
interrupt you.
let me ask. No, 1 minute. Faders down.
No,
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, 1 minute. Was Osama found in Pakistan? You believe it? या Western media का spin है?
Yeah, he was found in Pakistan, and I mean whatever it is. I mean,
But Pakistan doesn't believe it. Pakistan बोलते नहीं, हमने shelter नहीं किया था.
So what?
So that is Pakistan for you. Ishtaran, okay, I think Dr. Ranganathan, complete your point. Ishtaran, I'm coming to you.
Pranesh, just because I am from JNU, you divide my time and give to Vivek. That is a little bit unfair. If on a lighter note, Ishkaran doesn't mind my taking 30 seconds extra. नहीं, देखिए सीधी सी बात है. इनका rationalization सुना आपने? ये कह रहे हैं जो बैंड टेररिस्ट ग्रुप है, अगर पैलेस्टाइन की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी तो ये टेररिस्ट अपना घर चले जाएंगे. By that logic, I am sure he has rationalized the terrorism of Osama bin Laden as well. तो जाते आते भैया ये भी बता दो, मौसी की तरह से बेटा जाते आते ये भी बता दो कि ओसामा बिन लादेन का क्या रैशनल था टेररिज्म करने के लिए. मतलब कोई सर पैर कोई चीज है भाई. क्या कर रहे हो विवेक? थोड़ा सोच के आया करो. टेररिस्ट के साथ मत बनो. नसरल्लाह और ये हमास की एडवोकेसी मत करो. करना बंद करो.
Global Islamic terror, sir, global Islamic terror is a creation of American interference in the Gulf. You destroyed Afghanistan, attacked Kuwait, attacked Vietnam, and so many Muslim countries.
Yeah.
Taliban was the creation of Americans against the communist
ISIS,
Russians.
Okay, the next line he is going to say, Ishtaran, is that ISIS gives the Nobel Prize to people who excel in different fields. Go on.
No, Pranesh, for Vivek, feminism often dies at the altar of Islamism, but I was quite interested to see how between China and Islam he could not balance it out. But my question to him is, because you are asking, was Osama bin Laden found in Pakistan? The bigger question is, does he think Osama bin Laden is a terrorist, or does he think he was a person with legitimate grievances and legitimate demands, and he was putting it out in the manner best known to him? So that is the question for him, because when the threat of terrorism is global and nations are banning it, but sitting here he wants that organization and is justifying the aims of it. What does a terrorist want? Do my aims, I won't do terror. What does a kidnapper want? Give me money, I will not kidnap. What does a murderer want? Give me my demands, I won't murder you. What does a property grabber want? Give me the property, I will not need to property grab. So basic thing is, given to the demands of terrorism, and the organization will not do terror.
Vivek Srivastava, you are asking about Osama bin Laden. Now, no, I think I know Vivek Srivastava fairly well. वो बोलेंगे, मैं आप ही का जवाब दे रहा हूं विवेक श्रीवास्तव, मैं आपके बिहाफ पे बोल रहा हूं. देखिए, what we've come down to. वो बोलेंगे, विवेक सर बोलेंगे कि CIA ने ओसामा को बनाया. ये सही बात है विवेक श्रीवास्तव?
सर, सबको मालूम है तालिबान को अमेरिका ने बनाया था सर. कम्युनिस्ट रशियंस के खिलाफ बनाया था. नजीबुल्ला को मार के लटकाया था एम्बेसी में. हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे आपको भी पता चल जाएगा सर. ये जग जाहिर बात है. तालिबान वाज फंडेड एंड क्रिएटेड बाय द अमेरिकन्स. लेटर ऑन अल-कायदा जॉइंट हैंड, दे वर आल्सो फंडेड बाय द अमेरिकन्स. बाद में जब वो एंटी अमेरिका हो गए तो सब टेररिस्ट हो गए एक तरफ से. आई मीन यू कैन गो अहेड एंड एनीबॉडी कैन रीड. मैं सारे व्यूअर्स के सामने बोल रहा हूं, फैक्ट्स आर ओपन. एंड ग्लोबल इस्लामिक टेररिज्म में बहुत बड़ा हाथ अमेरिकन का है. देश के देश आप अगर उजाड़ देंगे तो वहां के लड़के तो आतंकवादी बनेंगे ना. तो अमेरिकन इंपीरियलिज्म के खिलाफ कोई नहीं बोलता सर. उनके इंपीरियलिज्म के खिलाफ कोई नहीं बोलेगा. अगर मैं कह रहा हूं
terrorism has many apologists, supporters, but I don't think anybody has the gall to say things that you have. There was one individual, well, I don't want to get their viewers, I leave that story for some other day. We've run out of time. Thank you for joining us on India Afran. The news are with Navita Kumar on the other side.